So Drampa Man has a good question, and there's kind of some layers to this. Drampa Man, on YouTube, I would like to bring up hop changes in our new hazy. I'm new to the brewery, but I have ideas. Thoughts on broaching the subject? So yeah, people are complicated, man. I remember one time I worked at a place and they brought me in, and one of the reasons they brought me in is they said that they wanted, another like experienced recipe writing mind in the brewery. And I remember I was asked my opinion twice about beers, something recipe wise that could be tweaked. And I gave the suggestion, received zero feedback, and then I was never asked again. I think sometimes people like the idea. Sometimes I think a lot of people like that idea of saying, oh, well, as a manager, I have an open door policy. Some managers like saying that up until like it comes to like actually having the open door, right? So I would tread carefully with this. I would take the temperature of the situation. If they are asking you for feedback or your thoughts or what you would do differently, then that conversation is easier to have. I would never approach it dogmatically. I would say something like, if the conversation has been brought up to you, being like, oh, like when I think about it, I just always like to think about, a different combination of hops that could work in this, right? And so bring it up like you're spitballing. I would never bring it up as a negative, as your thoughts deriving as a negative from the original beer, because egos can be fragile. You could also ask questions like, so say it's a Citra Mosaic beer, right? And you are interested in trying Strata in it. You could take it from this standpoint and be like, what do you think the beer would be like if it was Citra Strata, or if we rather than going 50-50 between the two, when 33% apiece with Strata Citra, or whatever you're suggesting, right? I would broach it like that. But if you're new, in that position, I would typically wait to have my opinion asked for, or ask questions like that, and don't go to the well too often. I think you'll get a feeling pretty quickly whether or not what people actually are looking for from the people that they employ. If they're looking for ideas, they'll ask for ideas. If they're not, they might not. They might not. Well, yeah, Drampa. I mean, those are we're all three hops. They're right guess. This is Swami stuff, baby. You know what I mean? Over the internet, through the ether, under the forest. It's how we do it. Yeah, man. We just did a West Coast boy, a crisp West Coast boy, pale, crisp, spinning off that idea of the conversation that I had with Julian Trago from Beechwood Brewing. We just put that boy up. It's a big Strata boy, and it's pretty cool. If you are local at all, get in and check it out. It's called Beer Garden. Beer Garden West Coast IPA. Get in and drink that thing up, because we made it and we're gonna make some more. We're getting some positive feedback thus far from folks that are tasting it. So, anyways, Bondi, bless your heart, man. Good luck with that what appears to be nasty line. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're going to maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.